and welcome. The last protein, you were officially first. So congratulations to you. Although you have now been timed out as a congratulations. So, you know, it's a mixed bag. It's a mixed bag. But congratulations to you nonetheless, and also welcome to the stream. It is very good to see you, because I know that we have some mutual friends. Is that correct? Hello, Steffi and Yost. Steffi not first, as usual. I hope all of you are doing well today on this fine Thursday evening. I solved an immense problem today, and I am very, very pleased with myself. Yes, we do have mutuals, and I'm glad that you think that redemption is funny. See, the thing is, being first comes at a particular cost. You can't expect to be first and have no repercussions, because that's simply just not fair to everybody else in chat that you were first. That's why, if you're first, you get timed out for 60 seconds, so that you can bask in the glory of your firstness for a minute, while everybody else can chat around you. No productivity today, but leveling up in the new God of War DLC. Gaming is also part of productivity, Yost. You know, the thing is that a lot of people believe that productivity...
Information.
Hi, Jay
Ones
Walter.
and zeros never lie.
A lot of people believe that productivity means sitting at your desk for as many hours as possible and doing the work. But productivity actually means being as efficient as possible in your output, which means maybe you need to take breaks, maybe you want to go for a walk, maybe it means meditating, maybe it means drinking water, maybe it means watching TV, gaming. It has to be something that works for you, because that makes you productive. So there's no universal meaning for what productivity is. I did email my new tech lead, and we agreed that we were making good progress. So there you go. You see, you're making progress, and you know, that's important. By the way, Protein, I forget who our mutual streamer friends are. Can you remind me?
I'm trying to use the state library.
There were a couple really good ones.
No.
Oh, no!
No. That's 10
You're
now?
not supposed to wait
How
for
many
the
is that?
scene.
Yeah, that was 10. But this is the wrong scene for that, Jay Walter. This is the wrong scene. And yes, I did go and delete clips 3 through 9. I did indeed do that. Oh, of course. White Panther. Of course. White Panther is indeed a mutual. White Panther is in fact our stream team lead. And White Panther and I will be doing some shenanigans next week. On December 22nd, next week, we will be hosting the first ever Twitch Claw Community Quiz stream. We didn't really nail down the exact name yet. Is your bunny suit ready? My bunny suit is ready. However, I will only wear the bunny suit if somebody spends the points. That's the thing. I already had a bunny suit. White Panther has gone and also decided to buy one. No pressure from chat or anything like that. I mean, White Panther definitely decided to do that on her own. So what is a suitathon? How long I can stay in the bunny suit for? I'm not sure I want to do that. I mean, maybe the hat? Maybe just the ears, you know? Maybe just ears. You'll be watching in your bunny suit. Wait, so we can get the entire Claw team to be in bunny suits? That would be very cool. I would not say no to that. You know the rules. If 2 people wear a bunny suit at once, the time goes up to 2 hours. I would be willing to compromise, seeing as White Panther is also wearing a bunny suit. I could see us bending the rules a little bit for the timing on it. The official thing for the Channel Point Redemption says, it's back, I put on my bunny suit for the rest of stream. So technically speaking, if you redeem bunny suit at the very beginning of the stream, I will put on the bunny suit until the end of the stream. That is how that is going to work. Also, there we go. So, chat, what have you been up to this week? I want to tell you all about a problem that I solved today. And I'm not sure I like this music. Do we like this music? I think I need some piano. I solved a really big problem today, and I'm really happy about it. And I want to see if I can explain how I solved the problem by using an analogy. And you have to tell me if the analogy makes sense for you. Suitception. Yeah, exactly. So if someone's wearing a bunny suit and someone else is wearing a bunny suit, and you're watching us in a bunny suit, that is the definition of suitception. Also, Protein, thank you very much for the follow. I see that in my feed that you followed half a day ago. 12 hours. Was I sleeping this morning? 9? Oh, I was just waking up at that time. Hello, Forex. Isn't it just a furry con? No, it's not. Hello, Sharer. Look at that golden kappa. Look at that golden kappa, chat. Can you believe this? Someone coming in here showing off their golden kappa. Do I have that on my scene? I gotta put that on here. I don't think I have that on my vertical scenes. Where's chat? Twitch chat. Oh, that's funny. It doesn't appear golden in my Twitch overlay. Oh, that's unfortunate. You gotta show it off. I mean, you only have it for 24 hours, so you better show it off, because you only have it for 24 hours. Did you know, by the way, all because of pirate software. So here, did you know, by the way, this is a bit of a lead up into something on Monday. I don't normally tell you what I'm going to do next stream, normally, but I will tell you what I'm going to be doing on Monday. So did you know that I found out you can drop the golden kappa? That's so cool. That's amazing. Hold on a second. You can drop the golden kappa. That's freaking cool. I didn't know you could do that. Hi, Mr. 90. So, if you get the golden kappa from a golden hype train, then you get it unlocked for 24 hours. But did you know that if you get the golden kappa hype train in another channel, it doesn't refresh the 24 hours? As developers or as data and tech people, we would expect it to refresh that 24-hour duration, because that's what the whole train does. The train unlocks the emote for 24 hours. But Twitch has said that it doesn't do that, and people are upset. And there's actually a Twitch user voice that you can vote on so that the 24-hour duration is refreshed when another golden kappa train. If you would get another golden kappa train within the 24-hour period, it would refresh the 24-hour period. So go to the user voice, the Twitch user voice. Yeah, go there if you want to vote for that. Now the lead up is, so you didn't know this, probably. Did you know, chat? I cannot believe he broke the trick. Yeah, Thor broke the all-time record for hype trains, by the way, in case any of you weren't aware. Also, I don't think the classical is working. 1 second here. What is yacht rock? Wow, we don't have anything available to us today. We don't have any tracks available to us. There's like no stations. Okay, we're gonna go with ambient then. Next stream is Monday. No, sorry. Next non-data cafe stream. So tomorrow we will stream in the data cafe where we will talk about news around data and tech. There's already a lot of articles in the queue. But I do have the data protein. That's the thing. As a data person, I always have the data. You can't tell me that I don't have the data. I definitely have the data protein, okay? I want you to know, and anybody else watching, that I have the data. So don't you worry. I definitely have the data.
Information.
Oh!
Ones and zeros never lie.
Ones and zeros never lie. Hello and welcome back, and thank you very much, Sharer Ja, for disconnecting my stream. If you have been viewing White Panther's stream, you may have noticed that. That effect is common now among the Claw stream team. So anyway, here's the point, chat. You didn't know that about the Golden Kappa hype train. Did you know that Twitch has a feature that when you are offline, you can auto show another stream on your channel? It's called auto host. And many of you probably didn't know, but that still exists. Even though hosting was removed from Twitch, you can still auto host other channels when you're offline, which means if you auto-host enough people, you actually don't need an offline channel image because the likelihood of you having an offline channel image is very small. And if you're hosting other streamers, you also don't get your channel trailer played for someone because the auto-host list takes precedent. And this is another example, like the Golden Hype Train thing, of Twitch features that are not well documented. Twitch does a very poor job, in my opinion, of explaining how their features work. So, my stream next Monday, I am going to go through every single Twitch feature and write documentation for it about how it works. And for some things, if we don't know how it works, we're gonna try it out. It's that simple. And I think I will make that documentation public so that everybody can read it and everybody can collaboratively add to it. A kind of community wiki, if you will. And we will categorize, obviously because it's data driven, it will be categorized as, is this a streamer function? Is this a creator function? Is this a viewer function? Is it for both? Etc, etc. So we will go through pretty much everything on Twitch. Thank you for enhancing me, Protein. Although we learned that enhancement and dehancement has some attached conditions to it now. If you make me smaller, you may not hear me anymore at some point, because it does lower the volume of the stream, of my microphone. So at some point, I'm disappearing, and it may be that you just stop, you don't hear me anymore, you know? And I can't do anything about that. There's nothing I can do about that.
Gotta use the state library.
There were a couple really good ones.
No.
Oh, no!
No. That's 10
You're
now?
not supposed to
Still
win
many
this
is
scene.
that?
No.
It's still this scene, J. Walter. So anyway, those are actually the next 2 streams. But I haven't talked about today's stream yet, and I'm sure many of you are probably curious what we are doing today. So maybe we should talk about that? Should we talk about that? Should we talk about that, chat? Hello? Can you still hear me? Is it actually lowering the volume? Oh, it is. Minus 10 dBs. That gets really quiet. But you can still hear me. That's good. You can still hear me. I'm just very far away. In a minute. Okay. Protein, what would you like to do first? Do you want to, like, have my voice disappear completely? Is that what you want, chat? You want me to just disappear?
Why? Why? Why?
We need to see how small I can get. I can get very small. I can get absolutely super tiny. Like, immensely tiny. So tiny that you won't hear me anymore, probably. I mean, I'll save you the trouble, chat. How about that? I will save you the trouble. Maddie, what do you think of left joints? Sorry, I can't hear you, J. Walter. You seem to be very far away from my stream right now. I can't hear you. Can you speak up, please? Hello? Hello? This is the real stream. You are currently watching the live stream. What's incredible is the volume difference between now and when I'm super tiny. Yeah, it's very tiny. It is very tiny. But thank you for the opportunity to make an absolutely ridiculous YouTube short. So here's the thing. I think we should probably do the meme of the day before we talk about what we're doing today. And chat, I have a surprise for you. I have a surprise for you, chat.
Garbage.
It's not garbage. I've actually decided... Chat, I've actually decided... Today's meme, I've decided to put my distaste and distrust for clowns aside. Just for today. Just for today, I have decided to put away my distaste for clowns. And in today's meme of the day, I have a clown in a meme for you. Just this once, and never again will I feature a clown in a meme. So enjoy it. Exclamation mark MOTD if you would like the link to this meme in chat. Enjoy it while you can, because I'm not doing it again. That much is very clear. But it is a good meme. So, I probably don't even need to explain this one, chat. But obviously, for whatever reason, and I will never understand this, chat, but for whatever reason, JavaScript developers have an obsession with frameworks. There are so many JavaScript frameworks now, it's not even a joke. There's probably a framework that governs all the frameworks.
Why?
Oh, 14, not bad. I don't like clowns either, but why don't you? You know, Protein, here's the thing. I don't like clowns because maybe it's not the same reason that you have. But what it comes down to is that for whatever reason, dressing up to make children laugh seems very demonic to me. Now, I'm not religious in any particular way, but it seems to me that dressing up and putting on this kind of weird, half comical, half creepy appearance is very kind of demonic in nature, and I don't like that at all. From a visual perspective and from a kind of holistic people perspective, I don't like the idea of dressing up like that. I can see the point in dressing up for amusement, like for Halloween or something, like wearing a cool costume. But the fact that clowns all kind of adopt the same clown look, and I know people are probably going to hate on me for this. I'm sorry, people, you know, people who are like clown aficionados or something. But it all seems to be the same vein. Like there isn't a lot of leeway. Like there's always the white face, very classically speaking. There's like the red nose, there, you know, all those things. They just seem, it seems a little bit off-putting. Yeah. So, yeah. You've got Python downstairs. Hot new framework. Did you actually make a website called Hot New Framework? What did they do to you when you were a kid at McDonald's? The only thing I did as a kid at McDonald's was lose my tooth in a McDonald's pizza in 1996 or 1995, I believe. No, hold on. Must have been earlier than that. Probably 91.
Why?
91 or 92, I lost a tooth in McDonald's pizza in Toronto, Canada. And you might want to remember this fact, because this fact might come up in the Twitch Claw community quiz night afternoon stream next week, together with White Panther. I think they're called Clownosaur. Are you serious? Is that a real word?
Wow.
No, that's not a real word. Clownosaur? That can't be. You're joking. Clownosaur. No, there's no way. No, no, this doesn't exist. Google says it doesn't exist, okay? No. Someone who knows clowns is not a clownosaur. Very nice try, though. McDonald's pizza is legend. Yes, actually. I'm not a big pizza person, but wow. I mean, McDonald's pizza was, as a child, that memory is firmly ingrained. Like, I very distinctly remember McDonald's pizza. Also, hi, Kara. It's very good to see you again. So, now that we've talked about the meme of the day, and you've had a chance to put clowns on my stream, so, like, you know what I mean? Like, look, even she still has the white face and the red nose and the ridiculous red lips. Like, it's just a trademark look for a clown. Despite the fact that clowns all want to be seen as different and all want to have different names, you know? When you dress up as the Joker, for example, right? If you dress up as the Joker, everyone's just like, oh yeah, I'm the Joker. Like, there's 100 different variations of the Joker, but it's still the Joker. But people who are clowns, they want to be called by a different name. You know, they want to be called like Simpson or Jasanda or whatever clown names, Honky, or I don't know what clown names there are. But they want to be known as like a particular name, even though they don't deviate from the general clown outfit. You know what I mean, chat? You know what I mean? Does that make sense to you? Like, It's so... Oh, oof, that's... Ugh. Okay. Pennywise. That's an example of a clown. I'm just going to make this browser window a little bit bigger so that I don't need to look at that. But yeah, that's kind of like the consensus for me, is that clowns are uncreative, unoriginal. For the most part. For the most part. There are always exceptions. But anyway, chat, listen. Today I'm going to be trying something. I'm going to be trying something a bit different today. And I can't promise you that... I can't promise you I know what I'm doing today. Maddie doesn't clowns. Also, Maddie puts a clown on the meme. So, Steffi, I did explain that it was an exception. It's a good meme, okay? Just because it has a clown in it, I made an exemption. For today, I made an exemption. So, for some time, chat, I've had a task in my Trello list. It's ORM Thursday. No. Have you looked at the stream title at all? Just as a side question, chat. Do you ever read stream titles? Because I do my best to write a stream title that is effective in communicating what I'm trying to do on stream. So you're going to model your room in 3D using SQL? No. Can you use SQL to model something in 3D? Is that a thing? Now I need to know. Oh my gosh, there is a thing. It exists. Building 3D models using the data stored in a relational database. Oh my word. No. Anyway, that's not what we're doing. I think he's playing The Sims. It's true, Kara, that playing The Sims would be my stream title today. You saw the notification. Ah, okay. Favorite streamers, I don't care about title. Thank you, Jay Walter. Stream titles are imaginary. Streamer will tell us what's going on. Okay. Well, I am actually... Well, you've gotten it partially correct, chat. I will actually be 3D modeling. I will be 3D modeling. However, I will not be 3D modeling in Sims by playing a game. Pool without a ladder. I will be 3D modeling using this interactive software called Rooms. And what's interesting about this is that it's not only 3D modeling, it is also coding, which is why we are still in the code category of software and game development. Let me show you an example. Let me show you an example, chat. Here's a room that was created by Things. So you can actually interact with things in this room. And what I was thinking is, chat, maybe it's a little bit ambitious, but I would like to create my office in here. And I would like to give you the opportunity to interact with my office. So for example, if you turn off the light, maybe the lights actually do go off in my room. Maybe. I don't know. But I think it could be funny to make interact through chat. Yes. I'm wondering if it's possible in some way to link up Twitch and the rooms, because in theory, You can code in these, and in theory, if you can code, you can make API calls. But this is, I don't know the extent of this. So together, we're going to go on a journey today. We're going to go on a journey of figuring out, can we make a 3D model of my office and my room, if you will? And if we make this 3D model, can we interact with it? So that is kind of the idea. I was very inspired, I have to say. This entire concept and idea was inspired by one particular person. I don't know if anybody knows that person. They are a streamer. And they make incredible content. Incredible content. Let's watch a short clip of Julie Strader, because honestly, her stuff is really inspiring to me. I hope that she has some clips active.
See the number of weeks, yes, let me check. Really, they do?
Oh, programming. Look at that. I did not expect that. I thought Julie would be...
I don't know, Mo.
I thought she would be doing 3D.
Nerd. Thank you guys for following, I appreciate it. Welcome to the stream, hi.
Huh. I didn't know she also did Code Academy. When was this? In any case, Julie made some rooms. Let's see if we can find them. I think we can probably find... Here we go. So Julie created this one room called Adventure Labs, for example. And basically you can interact with a lot of cool stuff. I have to turn down... Can I turn down the volume here? Maybe not. But you can interact with some stuff in here, and it's really cool. Oh, and you kind of have to discover for yourself what's possible in the... Oh wow, I just said... Oh, this takes me to another room. Oh, I forgot about that. You can actually also transport users between different rooms. And so like here, for example, the controls, you can control the cat through the D-pad here. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, I don't have the code. Okay, I probably need to get to here. Wait, is this a... Oh, it's a game. It is! You can play with keyboard. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, that's so cool. This is crazy. I had no idea. I had no idea it was this advanced. Oh, wow. This is so cool. So this is what I mean. Like, I don't necessarily have the time to create an entire world like this. But I would like to do... Shh. Quiet. I would like to do... Yeah, I would like to make a room and see how it goes. A Goonimon. I don't think there's no Pexels image for that. Also, the clown peeking through the room is so creepy. Oh, I knew I had something to mention. So, okay, last stream, actually the last 2 streams, OBS crashed. Does anyone remember that? In the middle of stream, OBS crashed like an hour and 10 or an hour and 20 minutes in. And OBS had some kind of bug related to Chrome. And so I applied the hotfix, but I don't know if it works. I actually don't know if it works. We kind of just need to stream and then see what happens. Because I didn't have time to leave my computer on. Yeah, hour and 20, exactly, 80 minutes, yeah. I didn't have time to leave my computer streaming for like over an hour to see. Yeah, so the background protein uses an API called to Pexels. So if Pexels doesn't have a Gunimon, then you won't be able to set it as a background. Very simple. Yeah, so I don't know what will happen today with OBS. I'm a little bit concerned because obviously I don't want the stream to crash every 80 minutes. It's a bit, yeah, it's a bit weird. I'm so thirsty today, chat. No idea why. Anyway, so let's, first of all, before we dive in, I want to explain, I solved a problem today. How many of you are familiar with data collection? When I'm talking about data collection, I'm talking about behavioral event collection. So today I was debugging a problem that we were having with Snowplow. Snowplow is a very robust open source data collection platform. You can basically install the Snowplow SDK in more or less anything. Like you could track a coffee machine with it if you really wanted to. And we are running Snowplow and we're about to go into production next week. And we were having some issues with the data collection. And I didn't really know what the problem was and we figured it out, but I want to see if I can use an analogy I came up with to explain this issue or explain how Snowplow works to a non-technical audience. Hi, Rugmat. Welcome in. You just missed the meme of the day. I did make an exception. I made an exception for clowns, okay? So, I want to explain. Basically, if you have your mobile app or website, could be both, right? Doesn't really matter.
Garbage.
So you have a website or mobile app. And what you do is every time someone interacts with something, so if there's like traditionally what we call a click or whatever, that sends an event to our Snowplow instance. And then we take that event and we process it further in the pipeline. We use GCP, by the way, Google Cloud Platform. Now, explaining how Snowplow works in GCP, it's a lot of little small components. So I thought it could be cool to say that Snowplow is like shopping. Or more specifically, shopping for food. So you have a basket. You have a little trolley. Don't judge my art, chat. So you have a trolley. And your trolley has a certain size. And this could be like S or M or L, whatever. This is basically your collector. This is what is responsible for receiving all of the events, aka food products, that you throw into here. Okay? So everything you throw into the basket. Now, at the same time, you have someone who is responsible for pushing the trolley, but also for taking these items and bagging them. I don't know how to draw a bag. How do we draw a bag? So you want to put like all these food items, you want to put them in the bag as quickly as possible. This is your data warehouse. And the idea is, if your basket is very large, then you're paying for a very large basket. But if your basket is too small, then you don't have space for all the food, and the food will eventually spill over. And our problem was that this basket was too small. So when we were putting all of these food items in, some of them were spilling over, aka we were losing a few percent of our events. And so we solved that by putting a bigger basket in place. Now, I don't know if this analogy makes sense for you, but it's something that I'm kind of interested in exploring.
Put my faith in data, information.
I was losing
Ones
data.
and zeros never lie.
Yes. We were actually losing 3% of events. So we had basically our snowplow collector. This is the collector. The collector dispatches to a kind of enrich process. After the enrichment, it dispatches it. And this goes to BigQuery. And basically, we were sending here, we were sending a fair amount of stuff. And this collector was like not happy, basically. Add to that we also had a problem where I did a schema update wrong. So yeah, that was also a problem. But anyway, I'm wondering if that makes any sense. Maybe I will work on it a little bit. I have to give a presentation on...
What's that smell? Failure.
I have to give a presentation on data, on our new stack, at the end of January or mid-January. And I'm considering trying to use an analogy rather than explain everything from a technical perspective. So, yeah, yeah, that's basically it. So. Anyway, I think we should drop. And I guess we will dive in. We should probably dive in. So let's do it. Let's dive in. Create new room. All right. So you can see like the green screening.
Gotta use the state library.
There were a couple really good ones.
No.
Oh,
What's that? 11?
no.
That's
11
10
You're
now.
supposed to wait
How
for
many
the
is that?
scene.
Are you happy with yourself, Jay Walter? You know, if you keep clipping shorter, you lose more and more time. Look at how this green screen is working. It's awesome. We might need to turn off the green screen today, actually, depending on what we do. So, the way that this works is when you have a room, you do edit, color theme, dark. I am too losing data. That's right, you're losing data every clip. Dim. Ooh, this is cool. Okay. Background, left wall, right wall. I mean, to be fair, my room is basically white. So, oh no, the floor is not. Hold on. The floor is, it's like a brown. Maybe this color. Wallpaper. Generate with AI. Oh, this is cool. What's parquet in English? Is parquet just parquet? Parquet flooring. Oh yeah, okay. Parquet. Parquet. Parquet flooring. Flat. The floor is not lava. No, I promise you. Oh, nice. Okay. That's super accurate, actually. That's actually pretty accurate. I wouldn't say it's perfect, but that's very close. It's very close. So, okay. So if you want to add things, then you add a new thing. And for example, I have to think about the angle here, chat. Do I want the desk to be here? Or do I want the desk to be here? Because this is the door to the hall then. But on the left side is the window. I think I would rather be sitting here and have the lights this way. Okay, so let's do a window. Okay. Large curtain. Night and moon view window. Ooh, can I edit this? Position, rotation, style, behavior. Can I change this somehow? I need it needs to be like full frame. Let's delete that. It needs to be like top to bottom. Kitchen window. No. Too small. Too small. Long window. No. I need like a single pane. Hold on. Full height window. No guarantees. Okay. Full window. No. Tall window. Otherwise, I often solve it with multiple smaller virtual instances to scale better, but at the same time, you don't want to fall below 2 to 3 instances, otherwise it will start crashing even though you have a powerful enough machine, but a parallel solution is better. So, Forex, the reason why we're not running it in parallel has to do with the collection URLs. Because apparently, it's not possible to have the same collection URL point to multiple instances. So Jay Walter, we will look at the coding doc in a second. I just want to add a couple objects first, just to kind of get a feel for it, because I haven't really tried to play with the platform yet. Loading window. That's... I mean... Oh, here's one. Here, this is good. Okay. Tall window. So now if I go to edit code, then there is a code editor here. So let's do simple move when clicked. So there's a function on click, which we know from JavaScript, right? Move 20 units to the right, which is the x-axis, with a duration of 1 second. So start move by, that's the command. So basically when you click it, it does like that. Oh. How do I get it to come back? How do I get it to come back? Need to look a bit at the script. How do I get this to come back? User input effects. Room, go to room, logic, wait, send, daytime, room time, math, strings, comments, start, move. Sets the thing's position, start, move to, stop, move, start, move by. Move smoothly given a delta. This will animate the movement. If you want absolute movement, see start move to. This is called the thing method, blah, blah, blah. The floor is now Apache iceberg for acid. It's a good joke, Kara. Okay, but how do I get it to return? Oh. Reset? Room time. Start move by. Oh wait, sorry. I need to figure out how to pivot something. Because basically, this window should open like this. You know what I mean, chat? So it's like, this is the room. And this is the window. This axis here has to stay put. That has to stay put, and the door has to like swing open, basically. So I have to try and make the door be able to swing open. Swing? No, there's no swing. So if I do start move 2, move smoothly to a given position. Stop move, set velocity. Start move by. What if we silly question. Okay, what if we take this function can you have like if conditions in here?
Garbage.
Hi, Rugman. Oh, you can. You can have if conditions. Ah. So let me see. 1 and then 20. Huh. Interesting. What? So I'm trying to model my room. For that, I need to understand how this code works. Interesting. Can I like, hold on. Logic. The function called to call after the given delay. Every. Yeah, I don't know. This music is very weird today. I'm gonna go back to chill piano. We don't have a lot of options today. Snowplow supports horizontal scaling of the collector component. This means you can run as many collector instances as you want as long as they share the same configuration and write to the same stream or queue. The collector instances do not need to communicate with each other and they can handle the incoming requests independently. I don't know. When we looked at it, we couldn't find a way to assign that. But ultimately, I spoke with someone from here in Switzerland, and they said that a single instance would do us better for our situation. I don't have the music data. That's true, Protein. That's true. I don't have the music data. Snappy Christmas carols. No, I don't have that. They're all locked. Maybe I should buy Pretzel Pro. Maybe I really should. Should I buy Pretzel Pro? Because then I would have all the channels. I don't know. I can't really justify it. It's kind of expensive. I mean, it's like $70 a year. $70 a year. Special price for new users. I mean, okay, here's the thing. Premium is $70 a year. It's quite a bit. If I stream 2.5 times a week on average, let's work it out. 2.5 times a week on average, 2.5 a week streams is 5, let's call it 10 a month. For $5.99 a month, that works out to basically, let's call it 10 divided by 6, yeah, 160 per stream. $1 something a stream. Didn't you just walk us through your Twitch recap? I was told there'd be no math. Sorry, no math. Just ads. I'll see you all in 3 minutes. We'll get to more coding and creating the room, I guess, when we get back from the break. In the meantime, enjoy. Goodbye.
Gotta use the state library.
There were a couple really good ones.
No.
Oh no!
No. That's 10 now? How many is that?
Why would you do that at the moment of the raid? Why would you do so? No! And a time warp. Oh my word. Oh. Shame on you. Shame on all of you. Have you not seen the new gigantic 2.2 liter bottle of water? And yes, you can call the color what it is. It's penis pink. Console logging. Oh no. Oh, 359. Nice. Thank you, Flyboy. Perfect. Absolutely.
Ragnar took a screenshot. Exegete took a screenshot.
Great transition to our ads. See you in 3 minutes, chat.
Ragnar took a screenshot. Exegete took a screenshot.
Yeah, good for you, chat. I'm doing a thing that most of you don't even like doing when it's not your birthday. I'm gonna be doing a thing that is notoriously unloved by not only developers but literally everybody. I think doesn't. Taxes, yes, doing my taxes live on Twitch. Watch as I show you how much I give to the government while I cry. That's, yeah, perfect content, Yost. That sounds amazing. Crying on my birthday while I give the government 30% of my money.
C, E flat, and G walk into a bar. The bartender says sorry, but we don't serve minors.
Oh no! No!
Why?
This is a challenge. So what I wanted to do, and I don't think I'm going to be able to do it yet. What I wanted to do was I wanted to have this like here, like this, and oh no. Hi, Ian. Welcome to the stream. So good to see you. I wanted to have this basically here.
No hacking. No hacking.
Oh, I see. I see what you wanted to do.
I see, chat. Okay. Yeah, okay. You know, if you oh no, if you combine them, it's gonna break everything, chat. You know that. Snapchat, like, Snap Camera doesn't deal with this stuff really well. It's gonna just be...
It's gonna be just completely broken. Oh no, chat, what have you done? What have you done?
This is bad. It's gonna be
Broken forever. I think. Maybe.
Hello. Welcome back, everybody. If you're confused whether we're back from the break or if you're still listening to a clip playing, then should tell you that we are no longer in the ad break. We have successfully returned to the live stream. I hope you all took a break as well. Let's get back to making my room in 3D. So I'm not really sure I fully understand the whole coding thing yet. But it's fine. Like it's not a big deal. Basically I have a window here. Maybe we should put more objects in the room before we do anything else. How about that? So there's a window there. There's another window on the left, but it's a different one. Can I have something in the same style? Can I have something in the same style as that one? That's like a tall window. Big window. Yeah, that's accurate. Coding is like tiny gremlins in your computer reading the instruction manual. That is highly accurate. Exactly. So basically, this is the room, right? So big window, tall window. Obviously, we can change the style of these things, but we're just going to put things in there for the moment. So then we need... do they have pegboard? Oh, they do. Pegboard. What's this one? That one has objects on it. This one has objects on it. Nice. Okay. I need to rotate it. Can I rotate it? How do I rotate? How do I rotate, chat? Position. Oh, you can actually edit the model? Oh. Nice. Okay. Okay, so I have one of these like this. I have 4 of them. How do I go down? There we go. Like that? Is that correct? Looks off. Yeah, they're actually closer together. Okay, so I have my 4 pegboards here, like that. Maybe it's like height-wise, maybe it's a bit higher, to be honest. Maybe you need a photo of my room as a reference, so just so you can understand, because I realize that you haven't seen a photo of my room. Maybe there's a photo that I can show you, chat. Do I have a photo of my desk space? I actually don't know. do I have a photo? I must have a photo of my desk, right? That's too close. Maybe I should take one. I don't know. Where? Oh wait, here's one. I mean, it's a bit old, but yeah, this will work. Okay. Alright. So here is a reference photo. Again, my room doesn't look like this right now. But here's the pegboard behind here. Here's the pegboard, here's the desk, here's the big window, then there's a space in between, and then there's the large window. You can see what I mean by we could actually edit these models, I realize. Like, we could actually edit these. We could actually edit them. And just delete stuff. Could actually just, like, delete stuff. Oh my gosh. Could actually just delete windows. Hi Ian. Welcome in again. To you. How are you doing today, Ian? So, these walls look kind of pinkish. Left wall. Yeah, I think it needs to be more white. There we go. Okay. So we're getting somewhere. What are you up to today, Ian? It's good to see you. So the next step is to put a desk in here. Desk. No, not deck. Desk. Okay, we need a standing desk. Standing desk. Ah. Standing desk. Oh, there isn't one. Not too much, just got in from a walk with the doggo. How is the doggo doing? How is doggo doing these days? White desk? No, that's not right. What's this one like? No. I can recolor a desk, but I need to... That's a spooky table. Hey Rick, good to see you again. Very good to see you. Work desk. Ah, here we go. This is good. Come on. No. No, no, no. This way. Come on. Okay. Nice. Okay. Okay. I actually think this is pretty accurate because the desk is around the same size as the pegboard. That actually makes sense. Style. The tint. FFF. Let's edit it. Maybe we can edit it. Can I make this entire... here we go. Paint. Fill. This is like a dark gray. Oh, yes! Oh, chat. This is so cool. Are you as impressed by this as I am? Because this is really cool. It's been a while since your last save. I will save this. Maddie Two Shoes. And this is going to be called... Stream Space. Yeah, cool. Okay, let's edit it. Visibility unlisted for now. I will make it public afterwards, by the way, so you can play around with it. So I need to have the desk animate. This is a cool thing to do. So when you click the desk, so we're gonna put a little control in the desk where you can animate it. Okay. So I'm gonna put a little control. How do I zoom? Here we go. Add blocks, paint, brush, darker. This control panel is very small.
We're going outside!
Who said we're going outside? We are not going outside, Steve. We are not. Do you know the name of my cat? Well, Steve, I may indeed know the name of your cat. But I will not reveal it. See, the thing is, Steve, if I reveal the name of your cat, I might be spoiling the quiz that is happening next week, live on this stream, together with White Panther and possibly others from The Claw. And hello to you, Steve. It's lovely to see you. Good evening, Jens. Are you playing The Sims? I am not playing The Sims. I am modeling my own room in this tool called Rooms. And I want to make this desk now animate. And so what you can do is you can do edit code. And now I can simple move. Oh, and let me do a hello on this. This is my desk. I work mostly from home, and this is also where I create all my content. So when I click this, ta-da! Ta-da! See? When I click the desk, the message appears. Now what's cool is I can also rename the work desk to desk. And, you know, big window I can rename to like whatever. Pegboard 1, we can just rename to pegboard TL, top left. Pegboard, wait a second. Oh, that's bottom left, sorry. Bottom left. Pegboard 4 is bottom right. Pegboard 3 is top right. And then this one has to be pegboard 2, which is top left. Okay. This is the modern equivalent of making a Doom map based on your house. Did you ever make a custom Doom map? I never made a custom Doom map, actually, Yoast. Oh, and by the way, I have opened, completely forgot to mention this, I have opened my cohort again for the second time. So if you are interested, if you're interested in learning more about decision science and you are in an analytical type position, then you are able to join my upcoming cohort in February, which will take place for 3 weeks. It's around 6 hours of work a week. So basically like watching a lot of TV during the week. So for 3 weeks, you get rid of your TV watching or weekly game night. And it's basically 90% live, except that it's a lot more structured and there's exchange between all of you. Unlike on Twitch, you can't talk to each other with microphones and video. But in this course, which takes place over Zoom, you can exchange with each other. And yeah, I think it could be a lot of fun to have some people from chat in there. So if you're curious about that, then let me know. I do have accessible pricing which means that if you are in a country that can benefit from accessible pricing, then I will apply it to your booking if you reach out to me and want to benefit from that. You can also contact me beforehand if you want to know what the specific rate for your country is. So yeah, let me know if you're interested. You can use the Maven command in chat to get the link to this. And yes, we do talk about sequel, obviously. You made one that I've been told people played. Interesting. Hi, Limonade Chick. Good to see you again. It's lovely to have you here. I used to maintain the biggest upload place for Doom and Quake maps. Really, Yoast? You know, every day I learn something new about someone in chat. It's so interesting. Oh, Jay Walter, this is looking very positive. This is looking very positive. 80? Ooh, 66.06. It's a bit of a, yeah. That would keep me from running into the radius with my Quest 2. What is into the radius? I don't know what that means. I don't know what that sentence means. Do you teach that right joins are the best joins? I do not teach that. We completely avoid talking about right joins whatsoever.
Why?
Why? Because they're horrible.
Why?
ID Games Archive. Wow. Why Maven and not Coursera? Oh. What a question. Why Maven and not a Coursera? Coursera's are meant to be video on demand. So when you take a Coursera or a Udemy or whatever those courses are, they are video on demand. It means that I would pre-record something and you would get served that course at your own pace. But 85% of people who start a self-paced course don't finish it. I'm sure all of you here know what that feeling is like because I've had that feeling, and nearly everyone I've talked to has that feeling too. You have courses somewhere that you've never finished because they're self-paced. So self-paced doesn't really work. And I've designed self-paced courses before. So Maven allows me to host the course live, which means that the participation is really high, and on top of that, you do finish the course. So the risk is much smaller that you can't apply the knowledge afterwards. That's why live will always beat self-paced for learning, in my opinion. And I think that is the future, and that is why 3 years ago, I started streaming on Twitch, was to learn for myself and to help others learn as well. And I think that is not a fruitless endeavor, right? When I hear of people who write to me and say, Maddie, it was so great that you did this stream. I learned about this, I learned about that. And I think back to all the stuff that I've learned over the last 3 years. It's absolutely ridiculous. So I really think that that is the future of learning, is interactive live content and not self-paced learning. I do think self-paced has its place for practicing things, but in general, I don't think that really has, I don't really think that has a big future. You're welcome, Limonade Chick. And hi, Rockman. You really want me to do that? I can put them on if you want. Do you want me to prove that they're on? Do you want proof? Do you require proof, Rugmat, that I have tiny hands? If you require proof, I can give it to you. You have over 5,000 channel points. Oh, wow. Rick. I'll tell you what you can do with those channel points. You can stick them into the quiz next week. You might need them. Always proof. Here they are. Hi, Rockband. So let's try and make this standing desk animate. So when the user clicks, it can say this. I also want to have... Can I make a little interactive thingy on the desk? Can I make that? Like here where the black box is. Let's search for a controller. Oh wait, what if we search for LED? Maybe? I want to find something that is like this controller here. You know what I mean, chat? Like this standing desk thingy. You'll save points for getting the bunny suit. Wouldn't you like to save it for that? Panel. Panel? Wall panel, black wall panel. Okay, what about button? Button. Reset button. Explosive button. Keypad. I mean, this could work. I want to flip it. How can I flip it on its axes? No? Also, I don't know how to pan. I don't know how to pan. 90. 90. Ah, here we go. 180. No. 270. Ha! I don't know how to pan. I can't really pan. That's the problem. Okay, so we have a button here. And we can like sink it in. Oh, that's not good. I made it disappear, chat. How do I undo? Can I undo? There we go. What's this? I may have adjusted something by mistake. I think I broke it. What clip is this? What you don't want your surgeon saying in post-op. This is such an obscure clip. We'll be off again in a minute. Just wanted to drop by and say hello. See you soon. Thank you, Rick. I appreciate that. Thank you very much for stopping by. And yeah, hopefully we will see each other soon. Let's see. Okay, so I need to repaint this thing then. I need to repaint this. Because, well... Paint. Fill. We need to get rid of that. So there's this black button on the desk. Can we edit this model? Yes, we can. Nice. Okay. Paint. This. Paint. Fill. Nice. Okay. And then we can paint. Well, I guess it would be blue. Or maybe... Yeah, it's fine. Whatever. Okay, so now this button can raise and lower the desk. Apparently. Apparently. I don't know how to do that, chat, but apparently you can. So the button... This variable tracks if the light is currently on. So let's see. Send a message to a specific thing. Ah, here we go. So you can target a thing. This is what I wanted. So basically this button can move the desk up and down. Interesting. Okay, so let's try it. Let's do it. So how do we track this? What do we call it? Position? Desk position. Desk position. It's very hard to type with tiny hands, let me just tell you. Look. It's very hard to type with tiny hands, okay? Desk position equals, let's call it 0 and 1. Okay. This variable tracks the, hi chat, the position of the light of the desk. I'm glad you like my tiny hands. Woo! It is very hard to type with them. I will be honest with you. It's quite hard to type with tiny hands. Okay. How are you doing, chat? With the double T. So desk position, function on click. If you want sound, play sound. We don't have that yet, but we might want to keep that. Toggle from on to off. Okay, so desk position. Oh, I need to shift. Position is now 1. Update the desk, or send to desk. Send to desk. Nice. Send get thing end. I am doing pretty well today. To be honest, because I fixed a really big problem today that we had. Oh, by the way, 4X, are you still here? 4X, are you still here? You wrote something earlier. If you're going to run on one instance, you better check it regularly to see you're not losing anything. So 4X, do you know what we did? Oh. Do you know what we did? We did a load test today. 4X, to make sure that we weren't going to lose anything. This is what the load test looked like. Do you want to see the results of the load test? Because holy moly. I will share it with you. I will show you how savage the load test was. Let me just find the image. Let me just find this. Here we go. You want to see the load test? Oh, this wasn't even the most current one. Wait, it's not the most current one. One moment, chat. Uno momento. Ugh. Come on. Gemini Pro. Oh, yeah. I haven't started playing with that, but I've wanted to. I've definitely wanted to, for sure. Okay, so it's 10:35. We are 1 hour 35 into stream. In the next 5 to 10 minutes, there's a risk that OBS crashes because it crashed 80 minutes into stream last time. So, just saying, there's a risk. There's a risk that it crashes. I hope it doesn't, but it might. Where did that stuff go? Did I delete it? Oh no, I did not. There we go. I can just show this window and nothing else. Look at this, chat. We sent. Oh, wait a second. I know what I should do. This is better. This is a bit more clean. So, I'll show you this chart again. It's a bit easier. Chat, we load tested our instance because we wanted to make sure that when we start sending events that it doesn't collapse from the pressure. So we started small. You can see here we started around 150 events per minute. And then we went to like 1,000 events per minute. And then this is, by the way, this scale here, like each tick mark is 1 second. So then I said to my colleague, I said, you know what, just let her rip, right? So he scaled it up and we started doing like 2,000, 4,000, 5,000. And this wasn't like per minute anymore. This was like 5,000 per second. Okay.
What's that smell? Failure.
And that's right. Here we had a failure. So we had a failure here. You can see that this spike dropped off. This was meant to sustain. This was actually meant to sustain. Let me draw on this. Can I draw? Can I draw? Rectangle over line? This was meant to continue here for a little bit. But it crashed the collection server. So that was the problem. So then we upgraded a few settings, and now then we did a 10,000 event per second test. And the main thing for me is not sustained load, because we know that sustained load isn't an issue. We know that sustained load is fine. What we wanted to look at was basically bursts. So yeah, that's burst traffic. But yeah, we are fully aware of a single collector being potentially a problem. Yes, it's something we're going to look into now that we have a bit more time. Once everything goes live, I think ultimately we're probably going to. I think that we will probably have a parallel collector running at some point. Yeah. Also, chat, I have about 3 calls tomorrow. 3 calls tomorrow morning for collaborations for next year. One of them is a video series. One of them is on-site teaching. And the other would be some kind of a live stream, probably. So, yeah, I'm pretty excited about all these things, but I'm also conscious of the fact that I shouldn't spread myself too thin. One of them, the on-site teaching thing, would be huge. That would be absolutely game-changing for me. So I'm actually not going to stream too long today because I'm a bit tired. I was in the office today. I had to get up earlier. Gonna pace myself. We've got another stream tomorrow, so I definitely want to sort of take it easy a bit. That being said, okay, what is the name of the other thing? So that is desk. So if I do send get thing desk, and then I send it as position updated, and then I do this argument, desk position equals desk position. Is that right? Is it appropriate to be a software engineer or data guy without a beard? Oh, Limonadchik. You can look however you want to be anyone you want. You do not need to look or act like anybody. Be yourself. Being yourself is the surefire way to be successful. You shouldn't strive to be anybody else except yourself. Good night, Jens. Thank you for sharing the load test. I trust you will tweak it in time. There's a lot of little traps, but that will get sorted out in time. Yeah, I also believe that experience is the best teacher. That being said, there isn't a lot of leeway for X. Data loss is not acceptable. Let's just say for legal reasons, data loss is not acceptable. I can't go into too much detail, but data loss is it would not be acceptable that the collector goes down. Let's put it that way. It would be okay that we can't report or visualize data for a while, but we need to collect it, most certainly. Okay, so desk position. If desk position equals 0, how did they have this before? If? Do they have an example with if? Where's a condition? Conditional? I know you don't have to say more, I guess. Yeah. Yeah. It's fairly... I guess you can kind of work out why. Comments. Get thing, get all things. Set tint. Where's the if loop stuff? Things and methods. On start, on click, on update, on collision, on button down. When a controller button is pressed. On button up. Oh! Wait, we could do up and down. But this one doesn't have... It's a single button. Whatever. Physics, tumbly, pass through, trigger. Yes, throw paper balls at me. I don't care. You can't hurt me, chat. I'm in my tiny little frame. You can't hurt me. Explode. What? What? You can explode something? Oh my gosh, I should totally blow up everything in the room. Would you wanna blow up everything in the room, chat? Yeah. Wow, that's a lot of paper balls. There's a cooldown on it. You can only throw it so many times. Chat, why? Why are you throwing so many paper balls? Stop particles! Chat. Are you burning all your points? Why would you do that? Oh, chat. Wait, every, send, broadcast, utilities. Unix time, date time, room time, insert at, remove, open. Oh my gosh, chat. What is this? Throw as many paper balls as you want, I don't care. Yes, I did say that. What I mean is that if you keep throwing paper balls at me, you're just burning your points. I don't care, but you are throwing a lot of paper balls. Don't throw anymore. No, chat. Thanks for the YouTube short. Why can't I find... Are any of those a 20? No. None of them are 20s. Random float, random seed. Strings? We're trying all the commands today. That's nice. Take a photo? Vision trouble. But you won't even see me. You changed the camera. What if I put it on the mask instead? Is that better? Oh, chat. I can't believe this worked, and I can't believe we haven't done this until now. Can you believe that? That's crazy. Woo! Yeah! Drop on the stream! I love that. That's actually so funny. I can't believe we haven't done that yet. Someone called Doctor Who, we found a new enemy. Oh, that's hilarious. Especially with the classical music running. It's so ironic. It's so ironic. It's so funny. What was the recap emote? Ah, whatever. I'll just use this one. Hype classic. Okay, chat, let's get back to coding. So, how do I raise the desk? If desk, I need to see the if conditional function. Do they have callbacks too? Prompt for comment, get thing, get all things, say, get position, get rotation, set position, get center, get names. It didn't. Start move to. I want to find an if condition, but I can't find it. Okay. Rooms XYZ if condition. Programming in rooms. Condition if. What's an if called? Like, what's the other word for if? Did you post to Discord already? I can't access that, Rugmat. It's a broken link for me. Oh, it's missing the G on the end. That's a great screenshot. It's fantastic. Oh, chat. I can't believe this worked. I can't believe we haven't done this until now. Conditional, yeah? That's weird. Rooms.xyz conditional. That's what I can't figure it out. It was here. Hold on a second. Let's do like this. Let's save this. Oh. Expected a then. Wait, let's comment this out for a sec. Disk position is 1. Let's add another button. And let's call this one desk button. Does it use Lua? I don't think this is Lua. No. I don't think this is Lua. I think this is like its own language? Maybe? What's it called? Getting started, introduction. Blah, blah, blah. Room is made of objects. Oh, it is Lua. Oh! I didn't realize that. This is actually Lua. Cool. Okay. Programming rooms part 1. Ah, I didn't see the part 1. Condition. Yeah. I don't see an if. This is the problem. There's no if loop. Oh, here it is. Here it is. I found it. The best cars in the market are capable of both moving and stopping. Let's see if we can do that. We'll make it so if you click it, it starts to move. If you click it again, it stops. Nice. Okay. So... Ah! Clowns. Debug console. Close that. Desk button. Let's edit the code. Save. Okay. So the code is if desk position equals 0, then desk position equals 1, else desk position equals 1. End. So what this should do is this should toggle between 0 and 1. We set it to 0. If it's 0, it goes to 1. Yeah, that's good. And then it will, otherwise it's 1. And then when it comes in again, it will check if this is 1. Oh, sorry, we need the other condition. We need the 1. We need it to be the other way around. Else if it's 1, then set it to 0. Send to desk. All right. Save. Oh, line 11, then expected near equal. There is a then there. If moving equals false. Wait, does it have to be on the same line? Does it have to be on the same line? I'm curious enough to take a look at this myself once I'm disgusted enough at myself for playing this much. Why is it a oh, wait, it's comparison string. Expected to close function. Else if desk position equals 1, then end. Huh? Line 18, end expected to close if. So you need an end here and here? Line 18, end expected to close function. It does, doesn't it? Hey, Roy Leezy! Am I learning Lua? No. No, I'm purely doing this for the purposes of animating a room in 3D. So... Any 20s? No, so close. 16. Unfortunate. What I don't get is function on click. If moving, then end. And then there's another send here. Do we have to have 2 sends? Like if we do this, then we have to send. And then this, and then we have to send. And then we have to end. Line 20, near end expected to close function at line 5. So this is so weird. This is very strange. I don't get it. There's 2 N's in here already. Line 14, unexpected symbol near then. Ah, wait. Okay. Fine. Edit code. That's the desk, sorry. Desk button we want. Desk button. Oh, now it works. This looks interesting. So, this is a platform called Rooms. And basically, the idea is that you can animate things. You can actually change things in the room by interacting with the room. So if I click the desk button, it will send, at the moment it's sending command to the desk and the desk can't do anything with it. So we have to go back here. This was a send thing. Blah, blah, blah. In the sign you would define, here we go. So in the desk code, we have a function. What did we call that? What did we even call it? Edit code. On click. Position updated. So you go here, you go to the desk, you do position updated. Oh, it should be small p. My bad. Can't have 2 open at the same time. Position updated. Oh, wait a second. Oh, wait. Wait. It says on. On. Position updated. And then it has arguments. And then it would do, for example, set text args.desk position. Okay, let's see if this works. Let's see if this works. Wait. Hey, Long! Is this how Habbo Hotel was created? What is Habbo Hotel? I don't even know what that is. Collaborative Rocker, good to see you again as well. Look at all the regulars joining chat today. Isn't that cool? Habbo Hotel? Virtual world. I don't know if it was created with this, to be honest with you, Long. Function on position updated. Okay, let's do a move. Let's do a move instead. Start move 2. So instead of setting text, let's do this instead. Start move to something. It works! Did you see that, chat? Wait. Chat, look. I did it. You press it, and the desk moves. Oh, that's so cool. That's awesome. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, now I just have to figure out how to detach the top of the desk from the rest of it. A 3D chat room in early 2000s. I joined someone's room, I got deafened. Oh, that's fun. Okay, so we have to edit the model. Can we detach stuff? Is that possible? Can we detach things? Extrude? I'm not sure. Okay, we have to figure out what positions are these. Position 10, 0, 10. So 10, 10, 0, 10. Okay, that's the wrong one. 10, 0, 0. Okay, that's the wrong way. 10. Preview. No. Wait, you can't like put it up the axes? Huh. How does it go up? Looks like a nice replacement for that weird Linktree that I hear no one likes. Yeah, this could be an alternative to Linktree. In the sense that this could be an alternative to linking products for your site too. I'm just saying, like, if a streamer would build this and actually show, like, link the products in the room, could be kind of cool. Anyway, we have to take an ad break. 3 minutes. I'll see you back in 3 minutes, okay, chat? Don't go away. Hello. Welcome back, friends. There were no clips this time, so we also don't need an audio cue. Hello. I just had some delicious chocolate. I hope you all took a break as well. It's important to take breaks. You thought something was missing. Hello, Yost. Alright, let's get back to it. We want the button to move the desk upwards. So X, Y, and Z. So if I do 100, preview. Oh! Oh! Okay. My desk is now gone outside the frame. I didn't mean to do that. Maybe I need to modify this a little bit. Because the button and the desk have to move together.
Garbage.
Can you group items? Can you group items? How do you group things? How do you place things onto other things? Like on click. Prompt AI character? What? Parent. Ah, here we go. Parent. Desk. Wait a second. Oh, yeah. Okay. Awesome. The only problem is that it's gone up by 100. Okay. How do we... Oh, we need an if call in the desk. So in the desk... Oh. Edit code. Hold on. So if you click the desk, it's like that. And then if you click the button... Oh, I love that. Okay. This is what I like. Damn, it converted to relative space. Nicer than Unity. Yeah, but it's not going straight up. Like... If you look here, if you click the button, if you do like, I don't know how to do that. Can I don't think I can do that. Ah! See what I mean? Like it's going diagonal. Why is it going diagonal? Start move. Hold on a second. Move. Stop to a given position. Start move by. We need that. This is the one. Okay. We need start move by. I meant about the button. The movement breaking sounds like a you problem. Thanks for your support. I appreciate it. Yeah. 20 units east. East, west. Okay, what? I don't know what the... in 3 seconds. North, east, southwest? No. East, dx, dy. Oh yeah, so it should be the same. Should be the same. Yeah! Okay, this is what we wanted. This is what we wanted. I'm so close to this, chat. Okay. The thing is, I need to extend the desk and the legs. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. How's that supposed to happen? Can you extend a desk? Like, I don't know if that's possible. I don't know if that's possible. Let's try 40 instead. That's a bit high. I think 30. Here we go. Okay. That works. That works. So this is cool. Raises my desk. The question is how to extend pixels. Pixel paint extend returns the thing's right direction. What would this be called, chat? Oh, also I need to stop people from putting my desk away like that. You can save states between rooms? Yes, you can. Actually, I showed an example in the beginning, Roy Leasy, where if you resolve something in one room, it can take you to another room, which is just crazy. Stretch. Not stretch. Let's look at the index again. Effects, room. Oh, hold on. Explode particles. Print. Utilities. Session, AI, distance, strings, photo, thing. Set tint. Transform. Transform. Skew. Set text, set media. Maybe you can't do that. Because it's like, that's one of the difficult things, right? Because the model would be different. Oh! Wait! I know, chat. I know how to do this. I know how to do this. If we put unlink that. If we have a desktop frame and we put this perfectly inside this one and edit the model so we don't have these legs, this is how we can do it. Can you like multi-select? No? Whee! Whoever said coding wasn't fun. This is so cool. Okay. I need to rotate. How can I rotate? Does anyone know how to rotate? CW. Ha. There we go. Perfect. You were right. What do you mean you were right? What do you mean you were right? Also, this desk is a bit thick, but whatever. I'm not too concerned about that. Add. Bloop. Okay. Are you all backseating my desk right now? Is that what's happening? Is everybody backseating my desk? How savage. Extrude. Remove. Whee! I gotta say, this is really cool. Rotate again. That one. That one, that one, that one. With this music, it kind of feels like I'm playing The Sims. Like, there is something, you know? Like, there is kind of something to it. You know what I mean? What color is this, by the way? Oh, no! No! Undo. Paint. Brush. Add. This color. Add. Select the color from the model. How can I get the color? 50. Huh? Why won't it add this? I'm so confused. You got one of those links for us to use for support. No, I'm not affiliated or anything like this with this one. But when it's published, I will most certainly put it in the stream recap. So if you would like to read it, then do like Roy Leasy and become a Patreon member for free. It's free. It's literally free. So there's no excuse. I feel like 50-50. This is so confusing because it's gray. It's free real estate. Exactly. I actually like the contrast because in theory my desk also has that contrast because the desktop and the legs are a different color. So let's actually keep it that way for now. So here's the idea. This thing goes perfectly into this thing like that. You see that, chat? It's perfectly not aligned. Okay. Anyway, the button no longer, the desk button sends a thing to the, what was that called? What did we call it? The desktop frame. Desktop frame. Oh, there's some weird, like, some weird effects there. Target is nil. Uh-oh. That's not good.
Garbage.
Desk? Oh, it's one word. Sorry, chat. I'm not an expert coder. Excuse me. Jeez. So now, when you click the desk, this is what's cool. When you click the desk, you're not even a coder. It's true, I'm not. This is my desk. I work mostly from home. Blah, blah, blah. Oh, yeah. But there's a problem. What do we do with the desk? Do we hide it? Can we change it? Can we hide it? Or do we get rid of the thing on the desk? Because that could work.
Another powerful reason for insisting on Intel Inside.
There's definitely Intel in this desk. Cameras mode to get inside, bruh. Yeah. I need to edit the model for the desk. 1 second. Desk. Edit model. I think we need to get rid of the desktop in this model. Is that possible? Magic eraser. Oh, damn! It's gone. It's gone, chat. It's gone. So now, this is freaking cool. Desktop frame. Okay, so we need to edit the code for here because... Oh, wait. Did I edit the code for the frame? Edit code. Yeah, this is my desk. Yeah.
Michael?
What? Who's Michael?
What are the odds?
Bye, Rugman. This is my desk. I work mostly from home. Whoop. Okay, I need to get rid of those on the legs. I don't really care about accuracy. Okay, desk, edit model. Magic eraser. Oh, that takes the whole thing away. We just need to get rid of this and that. Okay. And then this. Chat, I don't know about you, but I am having the time of my life right now. Like, honestly, this is so much fun. Yes! Okay. The thing is, it's too high, obviously. But I don't use my desk that high, so it's fine. Let's rename this to desk object. Object with J. Okay. Then we can call this the desk. Because people select the desk. Can you save data based on someone's account? I think you can question if someone is owner? Yeah, is own room. So you can determine if the user, if it's their own room. I don't know if there's any other user stuff. Oh yes, set session value. So you can set a session value and clear a session value. What other stuff can you do? You can do some AI stuff. AI chat, share photo, instant photo, take photo, fetch comments, prompt for comments. Get cloud string. Oh yes. Yes, so you can set a cloud string. Cloud memory is like a set of variables that retain their value from visit to visit to a given room. Oh, all users. This is cool. This is very cool. So you can't save data based on a single person's user account, but you can save it. Okay, so there's desk button. I need to edit the code for desk button. It will target the desk. And then the desk will have code. This is my desk. When it has the position updated, it will move up by 20, let's say. Okay, chat, here's the test. Here we go. Oh! Just enough. 17. Yes! I did it! I built a freaking standing desk in this thing. Look at this, chat. Look at this. Yes! How cool is that? Oh my gosh, chat. That's so cool. There's only one problem. Bye! It's not a problem, obviously. We just have to edit the button. No, we have to edit the desk to have an if condition. So the argument is if args.desk position equals if the desk position is 1, Then we want to move the desk downwards, which would be the opposite of this, minus 17. And else, we want to move the desk up by 17 in 3 seconds. Is that right? It's a feature for really tall people. Where can I find one of these floating standing desks? If you go to floatystandingdesk.com, then you will find what you need. Wait, don't go to that website. Floatystandingdesk.com. Okay, whew. It's not, no one bought it yet. Floating standing desk. Wait, what? Oh, I see. It's on a wall. Huh. That's kind of cool. Floaty? Floating. No, floaty with EY. Floaty. Floaty standing desks. Okay, let's try this out. Preview. Ah. End expected to close function. We need an end here. Is that right? Okay. Wait, so is this a feature? Is this a feature for particularly short people, where you can lower the desk into the floor? Is that a thing, chat? Is that a thing? I need to. I need to reverse the logic, basically. I need to reverse the logic. I'm not sure why it is that way. Oh, I love this, chat. It works. I love this so much. This is so cool. I can't believe this works. All right, chat, I'm going to give you the link to my room so you can play around with it. Go bananas. Go bananas. Play around with the room. I know you can only do one thing by now. This talking goat has AI? What? What does that even mean? Honestly, chat, we made a standing desk in this Lua language. There's a talking goat on a room. That's cool. Uh-oh, what happened here? There we go. It's saved. Yay! So this is cool. I mean, honestly, I'm really impressed by this. I think this is really cool. All right, we need some Elgato lights. We need some Elgato lights here. Elgato. No light. Okay, there's no Elgato. Light. You can also click it midway. Yes. What happens if you click it midway? Oh, yeah, that breaks. Yeah, don't do that. Because it's dynamic. Oh, okay, wait. Now you've told me. Now I have to fix it. Okay, wait. Wait. Edit code. Start move 2. You sent it to space. Of course you did. I don't want you to be able to break it. Start move 2. Given position. How do I know what position that is? How do I know? Because it's not dynamic. What the? XYZ. How do I know where something is in a room? I don't know how that. How do I know where something is? Start move 2. Position in a room.
There are a lot of ways to move about a room. In this video, we're going to backpack. So I'm going to click on the backpack. I'm going to select code. We're going to start from scratch, and there's a variable is equal to. And what that means now is the thing we want to move, a colon to apply a method.
But how do you know where something is in a room? Chat, we need to figure this out. How do you know where it is? Because its position is 0, 0, 0. Like, is it relative? This is like relative? Minus 24. Because this is 17, but how do I know? Oh, hold up a second. Wait. So that's 17 high. 40. Yeah, okay. So we have to basically just kind of guess? Hold on. No. Still going off to the left slightly and off to the left slightly. I don't understand how to do this properly. That's what's really weird. So 33. Also, can you like, can you make this like weird ratio different? It just makes the code window bigger. And I can't like zoom out. Okay, so 38. 37. I don't know what this is adjusting. Oh, this is so annoying. You know what, chat? I'm not going to do that now. I'm going to keep the code I had before. I want to add lights. I want to add lights. Boop. Oh no. What? Oh no, 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 no. It's by. Oops. Okay. Fine. This is good. I'm happy with that. I want to add lights that you can turn on and off. So let's add lights. Light. We need like an LED panel. Need like a, you know, like the Elgato light. You know what I mean, chat? You know which ones I'm talking about? These ones. These ones. I need something that looks like that. Oh, there's a light switch here. We're gonna need that. Ugh, I can't see. Nice. Okay. Oh, look, it's a Twitch sign. Oh my god, that's so cool. I don't have a Twitch sign in my room. Should I have a Twitch sign in my room? Oh, you can write your own name in this. That's cool. Okay. Globe. Butterfly. Chat, did you see one that looks like a panel? Oh, wait. This one could work. Could work, maybe. If we rotate it 270 degrees. Oh, nice. Okay. Yeah, that's good. That's basically Elgato. It's a bit bright. Elgato. Oh, let's just call it key light left. Physics. Light. Ah, nice. We can even choose the color. Intensity 0. Oh, neat. Okay. This is kind of cool, chat. Oh no, didn't want to do that. Can we edit this model? Fill. I mean, key lights are black, so we'll go with something a bit lighter for the back. Go lighter. Oops. Oh, that's good, yeah. Oh, why is it filling the whole area with that? Oh, wait, is it selecting the color you have? I don't get this, chat. Why is it selecting the stuff? Oh, interesting. No, don't do that. All right. Okay. Good enough for me. Elgato key light. I don't know, like, the light is very bright. It's kind of cool though. Let's do... Is there code? There's no code in the light. Really? Okay. Let's check out how to animate lights, how to turn them on. Enable light. Enable disable a thing's light. This only works for things that are light. Did you... Rugmat, you did not. Did you just make... You did not. You just made a link, floating standing desk.netlify.app, to redirect to this clip. Really? Oh, I'm very curious about something. Oh, that one probably won't work right now. I don't think... Oh, it does. Yes! I did it! I built a freaking standing desk in this thing. Look at this, chat. Look at this. Yes! How cool is that? Oh my gosh, chat. That's so cool. There's only one problem. Bye! It's not a problem. Very good clip, Rugmat. Thank you very much for clipping. I appreciate it. I appreciate that. I cannot believe you went to all of that effort, though. Okay, so toggle light on and off when the user clicks. Okay. Light switch. This variable tracks if the light is currently on. If you want sound, what? That's just absurd. That's not what I want. That's not what I wanted. It's not what I wanted. It's not what I wanted. I wanted that for the light switch. Oh yeah, lights off. Let's call it light room. Oh, okay. Room light. I mean, yeah, it's more or less. Probably need to figure out how to turn this one on and off. Code. Start from scratch. See, here's Maddie trying to make his room in 3D, and I'm all trying to downsize to 2D. Hi, Finite. It's very good to see you, Finite. Function on click is on, not is on, enable light. Okay. On equals true at the moment. Can you not turn it on? Can you not turn it on? Chat, is this not a light? Maybe it's not a light. Maybe it's not a light. Finite. Let's watch a Finite clip. Finite Singularity, the creator of OBS plugins, shenanigans.
Oh, by the way, just a second. Hold on. Hold on. Ignore the man behind the curtain.
Wait.
That's a pretty wacky effect, isn't it?
Wait. Did you forget to put your green screen on? But of course you don't use a green screen, right? Just like I don't use a green screen. What green screen? Exactly. Exactly. Also, like I don't use a green screen, right? Of course. Look. See? This is not a green screen. You can see the reflection of the light on my hand. See? No green screen. Magic. Yeah, I'm currently building a room today, Finite. I have so far, check this out. I have so far been able to animate it so that my desk moves up and down. Oh, there's shadows from the lights. How cool is that? The reflection is green.
This morning I had to open a new bottle of milk, a new bag of coffee, and a new box of cereal for the same breakfast. This is called a breakfast eclipse and it only happens once every 6.5 years.
A green screen. Will a green screen let you do this? Watch this. You're really gonna trip up on this one. Whoa! Holy cow! It's like a floating bar in the middle of the background.
Oh, we got him, Chad. We got him. I can imitate Finite. Chat. Would a green screen let you do this? Would a green screen let you do this? Definitely a green screen. Of course. Of course. So anyway, yeah, I'm not sure what to do about the light in this situation because I actually don't think it's a light. Because you can't turn it on and off. Although it has a light property in it. Ah, wait, it didn't have an intensity on it. Wait. I think this is the problem. Range 25.4? 25. Okay, hold up. Let's turn the room lights off. Ah, yes. I wonder if this will work. So I thought about that, Rugmat, but I know that it can't work because the watch command doesn't make another request. So key light left, edit code is on equals false. Preview. Equals true. Okay, this key light is not working for us, chat. Goodbye. We have to find a different light to be our key light. Yeah, it doesn't check for redirects. We need a different light to be our key light. One that's actually going to work as a key light. Circle neon. I suppose that could be a neon light. If we were to just add some blobbies. Do you hear the sound changing? It gets higher and higher as you fill it. Oh my god, that's so cool. That's so cool. That's wild. Okay, and now I'm gonna paint it. Fill. Okay, let's try this again. Circle neon light. Doesn't look like it has light behavior. Nope. How do I know if something has light behavior? This only works for things that are light sources, like lamps. Yeah, how are you supposed to know if something is a light? That's what's confusing. Because it's like, you search for light. How are you supposed to know if something is a light? Oh, this looks like a light. I mean, let's see what... Actually, that's a good point. Let's see what the light is composed of. Because maybe we can just, like, remove parts of it.
Holiday conundrum. I found a tasty looking recipe for a cranberry curd tart and want to make it for the family for Christmas. The problem is that curd tart is only a couple of switch letters away from turd cart, and if I make it, this is a fact I will need to tell everyone, constantly.
What is a turd cart, Karen? And why would you ever choose to make a turd cart as a dish, you know? Karen is so unhinged. Okay, so this thing, this thing still has light emitting from it. So we could just, it is a cart of turds. Yeah, no, I understand that, but like, why would you ever make it? All right, so we're gonna add. Oh, the sound design on this is absolutely glorious. It's very hard to see, but is that right? Hold up. Oh, you can actually... Oh, hold up. Okay, you can just delete stuff like this. If I make a custom model for Elgato in here, do you think they'll sponsor me? Do you think I'll get partner? Do you think I can get an Elgato partner by making them a key light? With my amazing art skills? Do you think that's possible, chat? Do you believe in me? Tell me you believe in me, chat. I want to hear someone say it. Even Karen would be enough. Even Karen saying, I believe in you would be enough. Ooh, from above you can do some serious pixel damage. Oh, well that's a bit off balance. Extrude. No? Remove that block. It still emits light. Still emits light. No, I don't think they will. I mean, I believe in you, but I also need to be honest. I believe in you, but I'm dipping for today. Hello, TG. Good to see you. I didn't realize you were lurking. I haven't looked at my chatters list. Let's call out the lurkers. 8H Vidis, Aiden, Aten, Collaborative
Why
Rocker.
did Sweden start painting barcodes on the sides of their battleships?
Why?
Why did Sweden start painting
Slash
barcodes?
so they could Scandinavian. Mrs. Singularity
Slash.
used the old I gave birth
Also,
to you.
I believe
on
in you.
Finite Junior when he was complaining about having to do
Karen.
chores. He responded that was one time.
Oh, chores. Who else is in here? Eclipse. Okay. Finite. Deluxe Pup. 4X. Ian, Yost, J. Walter's bot. Lars. Long, Marcy, Mark, Phoebe's, Roy Leasy, Rugmat's bot. Does everyone have a bot with them in chat or what? Like, what's the deal here? Yost, where's your bot? Like, there's several people in chat who seem to have bots with them, you know. Spofo, TG, Ginny, Wilder Hives, William, Yakuri. Lovely to see all of you. Great. I have a bot, but not a different account. Wait, can J. Walter and Rugmat, can you get your bots to talk to each other? That would be absolutely hilarious. Could you get your bots to talk to each other? That would be the greatest thing ever. I love this. This is great. This is great. J. Walderbot, I'm a bot too. Upside down smiley face. Two GPT bots talking to each other. Honestly, it can only be amazing. This is like, it can only be amazing. Let's be honest. Like, when they start talking to each other, it's like, hey, what's up? I'm a bot too. What? I'm not a bot. What are you talking about? That's how book prices go up to $1 million. You're right, Finite. You're right. That is how that works. Speaking of dollars, I need to hurry because the ads are coming, and I think that's gonna be the last part for today. Oh, this is too high. This is far too high. No! No! No. We have to scale this down a bit. Oh wow, that's really far off. Maybe a bit further down. There we go. Now this is a light, so we can turn this light on and off. Preview. What? I'm so confused by this, chat. Huh? On click. Chat, watch this.
I saw an ad in a shop window, television for sale, $1, volume stuck on full. I thought, I can't turn that down.
Oh my gosh, Karen. Karen, look. I am a light. I am a light. It's so funny. No, what's really funny is you can do prompt AI character. You are a light. Now what happens? Say what to floating spotlight? Can you turn yourself off?
Did you hear that William Shatner's clothing line went out of business? Who would have thought Shatner Pants would have been a bad name?
William Shatner Pants? Have you heard of the band 1023 Megabytes? They haven't got a gig yet. Wow. Wow, chat. I love the GPT response to this. Okay. Is there anything else you would like to know? Or assistance with? I don't want a GPT Lite in my game. Thank you so much. Play a sound. Sound library. Ooh, here we go. Do we have a light sound? Filter by category. Okay, that was a bit loud. Bass drop. Wow. I need like a... I'm gonna use this room thing instead of GPT. Cursor click. There we go. That works. Okay. So now, when you do this, nice. So what I'm gonna do instead is I'm gonna put on click, play sound, cursor click, and I'm gonna get rid of this light because I cannot do anything else today. Chat. I have a very busy morning ahead of me with 3 very important calls, and it is just ticked past midnight. So the room state is as it is currently, which is you can turn off the lights, you can raise the desk up and down. I think that's pretty cool. For someone that doesn't know Lua, for someone that doesn't know any art related things, I think this is cool. I thought it was pretty cool. GG's. Just talking to a light to solve my problem. Did you GPT a light so that you can talk to a light about your problems? I love that. It's so funny. I love that. That's actually genius. GPT light. Shining things where I don't know. Yeah. Any raid preferences, chat? Do you have any preferences? Where we should go? First person to like, I'm first at something. Yeah, maybe. Want something pretty chill today? Ooh, someone's using Miro for cool stuff. When was the last time we raided them? Let me check my stats. B7, yeah. What's B7 up to today? Let me check the last time I raided this person. I think it's been a while. Yeah, oh, I raided them in April. So yeah, we're good. We're good. I always try and raid new people, but I haven't raided this person for a long time, so that's all good. Let me just snooze the ads again so we don't get caught. Listen, chat, we will see each other tomorrow. Actually, no, we will see each other today. In 19 hours. Wait, is that correct? 21 hours. 21 hours from now. Data Cafe, loaded with data and tech news. Lots of shenanigans. We're gonna raid Dr. Mikchu, who is doing enemy and level design in Miro. for a game. Thank you very much for your good wishes and for your patience today in making my room. If you want to have fun with the room, here's the link again. And also, it will be in the stream recap as usual. Anyway, that's enough from me. So enjoy your evening. Thank you very much again to Mickey, Protein, and Hater, and Mohan for the new follows at some point in the last couple hours. Also, you didn't fix the double click issue. I know. You're not supposed to interrupt the movement. That's the point. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.